am back today and I'm doing another get ready with me video, and I just realized I didn't grab my makeup bag. Makeup bag grabbed. So anyways, today I'm gonna do kind of a holiday look because I haven't done a holiday look in a long time. It's gonna be kind of a subtle holiday look. I'm not gonna like draw candy canes on my face or anything. But first, to start with, I just want to show you guys some new skincare that I have discovered, which I'm very excited about. So I don't know exactly how to pronounce this brand. It is Elevatione, maybe? You tell me if you speak this language, if I'm pronouncing this completely wrong. This is a good skincare brand. They have kind of a wide range. Some of it is really, really expensive. Some of it, this is the more affordable. Oh, it smells mega good. This is actually their mask. I think this is the time capsule collection. They also have a face cream, which I'm gonna put this on right now because my skin is really dry. And this is an SPF 50, which is great. Well, the pump is definitely broken because I've pumped this about 5,000 times. My hands are actually clean. I just washed my face, so do not do this if your hands are not clean. You will contaminate your product. I've been using their serum every night. Ooh, it smells good too. It smells like the mask. And I like the texture and the smell of it. And then also this is their cleanser, and it's like Salvador Dali inspired. The artwork is. The box it comes in is actually really cool. Actually, the boxes these all come in are really cool. So this is the Salvador Dali box. That's really pretty. But this is the box that like this line comes in, and it's like fancy pants. It's a big, heavy, sturdy box. This is like, feels like suede, and it comes with a little scoopy. These I actually really like. They're little gel caplets, and they have face oil in them. You actually have to cut these off. I tried to twist it. It was not working. So cut off the top and do not eat the silica pack, just in case you were hungry and contemplating eating that. So far I like it. Always looking for new skincare. So if you want some new skincare, try this brand. The link will be below. So today's actually my day of trying new things. Actually, as I was setting up to film, Huda Beauty arrived in my mailbox, and it is primer, some foundations, and a brush to put these foundations on. So this is their water gel primer. Well, this actually feels really nice. It's not super silicone-y. It feels more like a gel or like a cream. They actually sent me 3 different colors, so I'm not exactly sure what color I am, but we're coming out of summer, so I will probably be a mix. Generally, foundation sticks are a little bit too dry for me, so I'm gonna give this one a shot. I'm hoping that with the moisturizer and the primer, this won't be too dry. You can either do it directly on your face or right on top of the brush. So apparently it's buildable, which we like. I've actually never put foundation on this way with putting it on the brush first, so this is a whole new world. Oh, this actually isn't mega dry. I used Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in a super old video, and I tried it a few times and I just had to give up on it. It was way too dry for my skin. I do not hate this. I like the technique of putting it on the brush. By the way, this is not sponsored by any of these brands. I just happened to get this stuff in the mail this week, and I know you guys are always looking for new stuff. This is like the least cakey stick foundation I think I've ever seen. I know it's buildable, so if you want it to be really heavy, I think if you applied it straight to your face, it would probably be pretty heavy. Who knew? I slept with my makeup on last night for like the first time in probably a decade, and I'm feeling makeup shame today, and my skin feels like hot garbage, so I've learned my lesson. And it wasn't even that like anything important was going on. I was just too lazy. I'm gonna do just a little bit directly for my pimples. Pardon me, I'm not wearing a bra. I literally just woke up, so this is just how beautiful I am when I wake up, well, with a full face of foundation on. Huda Beauty. And my skin feels like mega hydrated. Well done, ma'am. You know what I really hate? I really hate eye boogers, especially when you have makeup in them and they turn gray and they're real not cute. So I'm watching this show right now. It's called Welcome to Plathville. If anybody watches this show, it is absolutely mesmerizing. It's basically about like a family that lives in the middle of nowhere in Georgia on a big farm. They have 9 kids, and they have like no TV, no phones, no technology, no real outside world. They're not allowed to eat sugar. Like it's a very, very strict household. But then the older kids are starting to like want to branch out and live life and do stuff. And so it's kind of like their story. It is very interesting. I highly recommend it. So after I do these get ready with me videos, I usually then film my TikTok, or you guys might see them on Instagram, my makeup fail videos. So it's like I spend all this time to make my makeup all nice and pretty, and then I destroy it with my TikTok makeup fail. But it's fun. I'm gonna put all the products I'm using in the description below. I'm just using all my Laura Mercier base products right now. I usually do matte makeup. Excuse me. And I feel like holidays are good for the shimmer. So you guys, I'm very excited. My skincare studio is finally officially open. I am seeing clients regularly doing facials, doing vintage glam appointments, doing glam for special occasions and lessons, and it's pretty great. So if you guys are in the LA area and want to come see me, if you need a facial, if you have acne, if you have rosacea, if you have hyperpigmentation, if you want to if you want to slow the aging process, you want to maybe do some peels or some microdermabrasion or any of that fun stuff, definitely come see me. I'm open for business. My business is Skin by Cherokee. So skinbycherokee.com. You can find me Skin by Cherokee on all social medias. So I'm just using the Anastasia Sultry palette right now. I think I'm going to do like neutral on top and then green on just the bottom. Hey, remember my early YouTube videos where I used to use a little sponge makeup applicator? This is just gray. I'm gonna stay gray instead of brown because I want my makeup to be kind of cool. So I think I'm actually going to do some of this. This is Cargo Swimmables, and I'm just gonna do this on my whole lower lid for some shimmer, and then I'll probably put some powder shadow over it just to set it. So usually when I use shimmery eyeshadow, like powder eyeshadow, I just apply it with my finger. If you try it with a brush, it doesn't give you that like bright shimmer that it does with your finger. Oh, that's party. Okay, so now on the bottom, I have this little Smashbox. This is a Covershot Bold Eye palette, and it's got this little green in here. And then I also have a Smashbox liner. This is a always on gel liner. So I'm just gonna line my bottom lid with this, and then I'm gonna set it with that brighter green. Also beware when you line your waterline or wear a lot of liquid liner, it's very normal that your snot coming out of your nose will be streaked with color. I thought I was dying the first time it happened to me, and I like actually made a doctor's appointment because I really actually legitimately thought I was dying. I thought I had like a brain tumor that was turning my snot green or something, but it was from my black eyeliner. It actually turned, I had like swirls of turquoise in my mucus. It was very strange. I love this little eyeliner brush. This is really great. You want to do like a winged eyeliner with shadow where you want it to just be like a little bit softer. I should have eaten lunch before this. I am so hungry. I just keep hearing my stomach growl. Eyebrow gel to tame my wild beasties. So I've actually been using a different eyeliner lately. I'm not sure if I used this in my last video, but I've been using Roller Lash. That is not Roller Lash at all. That's Stila. Roller Lash by the Balm. And I really like this liner. It's really great if you're just starting with liquid liner too. It's a little bit more user-friendly than a traditional liquid. Little skinny eyeliner today. We'll see when I get this one on if it stays skinny. Sometimes this one ends up chubby, and then I have to make the other side chubby too. And now I am using Noir Fairy Lashes by House of Lashes. And my boyfriend just got out of the shower and opened the bathroom door and does not know I'm in here filming. So if you hear music in the background, that is what is happening. So putting lashes on when you've had a new lash lift is no easy feat, let me tell you. I feel for you babes that have really curly eyelashes naturally. I never understood because my eyelashes naturally are mega straight. So I would always get questions from girls about like why fake lashes weren't working, and I never got it. And now that I have my lashes lifted and they're very curly, I understand it. Also, don't judge me, but sitting next to me is peanut butter toffee. There's like always snacks everywhere you look in my house, on like every corner. Snacks, hand lotion, and chopstick on every corner. It's a sickness. So the lipstick I'm using, I'm not going to do this on camera because I can't talk while I'm doing it, so it just seems like a big giant waste of time. But the lipstick I really always use when I'm wearing a bright red is Outlaw by KVD Beauty. Alright, so lipstick and then hair. Alright, so I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with my hair today. I think I'm just going to do some classic curls. But to do classic curls, I actually need to curl my hair. So that is what I'm doing right now. And I am pin curling my entire head, just like I always do. So, ta-da! So I just realized that this dress that I'm wearing today is an over-the-head dress, and so I needed to put it on before I finish my hair. So that is why this time I put my dress on first. I also just realized I thought that this dress had green in it. It doesn't, it has blue, but that's okay. Nobody will know, except for you guys, because I just told you. Gonna do a little brush. Gonna do another little brush. I think I might just do like a bookish, I don't even know what that means. It just felt right. So really all I did with this hairstyle was brush it. And I might tease a little bit. But beyond that, this one's pretty easy. Well, besides the curling. The curling took the longest amount of time. Here, I feel like this is kind of like throwback Gwen Stefani. Now I'm gonna take some pictures outside, and then I'm gonna be done. So this was my Get Ready With Me holiday edition. I hope you guys liked it. Everything I used in the video will be in the description below, and be sure to check out in the next few seconds to see my finished look.